Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free Cash App money. So I got Cash App mod right here, and as you can see I got $529 in here and I have free money enabled. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this so you can have free money just like me. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our browser and we're just going to go on hexmods.com. So once you're on the site, guys, just go in the search bar and type in Cash App, and then you should see the Cash App mod. And there it is. So press on it, press the download button, and it's going to start downloading. So there is going to be a verification at the end where you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but it's 100% for free from the official store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so basically it says like missing files. So you got to download like 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. They're all free and they're from the official app store. So just make sure you get 2 of them. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. This one says I need 15,000 coins, and you just press on it. Rewarded play, you just press on it. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of them and you're going to be good to go. But that is how to get the Cash App mod so you can have free money. So it's super cool, guys. So yeah, you can see right here. So be sure to try it out. The apps are usually pretty simple. I'm not sure if we're going to have the same ones, but these are just the ones that show up for me. There is a video to watch if you're confused, so you can always watch that and get help. But yeah, it's super crazy, guys. So if you do want to get free Cash App money, be sure to try us out. So yeah, hexmods.com is where you can download this. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, it's a bunch of these apps. They're all free. So you guys should be good to go. So yeah. I hope you guys found it useful. I've had no issues whatsoever. But yeah, it's great because a lot of people are like haters and stuff, but this does work if you follow the steps. So peace out, bro.